In today's video of our distance tracking application, I will show you how to add markers once the user has finished tracking his location, as well as one new thing which I have missed in Android HDK 34, which suddenly crashed my app. So I was using it on Android U, which is upside down cake or something, and it when I was accessing the location permission, it crashed my app. So I will show you that as well. So first, regarding the output, so first I am going to my location, okay, and I'll click on the play this route. I'll click on the start button, so it will start tracking my location. Okay, so it has started tracking my location. I will stop this route. I will press the stop button over here as well. So here you can see I have added marker at the start and the stop location, and if I reset it again, the markers are dismissed. Also, one important thing which you will have to add is you will have to add this uses permission of foreground service location if you are running it on Android U. Otherwise the app might crash. So here, firstly, inside maps fragment, I have added this marker list, mutable list of marker. Then what I have done inside map reset is we are looping over the list and we are removing all the markers, as well as we are clearing the marker list as well. So these two things. Next, inside show bigger picture, I am calling this add marker for location first and location last location. And if you see the add marker method, it basically takes a marker from your position and adds it to the marker list, mutable list. Also, I have added this on marker click listener. So here I have added this map dot set on marker click listener of this, but if you don't want to add it, you can avoid it, and here you can see that I have added this return to true, so it will override the current functionality which is available. If you want to keep it as basic same functionality, then you can return false as well. So yeah, pretty simple. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.